For years, sci-fi movies imagined humans living side by side with robots, machines that think, walk, and feel. But that future has arrived. In China, it's no longer fiction, it's reality. A new era is here, where robots don't just serve us, they walk among us. Leading the charge is China's newest low-cost humanoid, a smart, lifelike machine now roaming the streets, working and learning like one of us. This isn't a lab prototype or CGI illusion. It's real, it's affordable, and it's already here. In the past decade, China has quietly built a robotics empire. While the rest of the world debated ethics and possibility, China simply built the future. Today, its factories hum not only with machines, but with androids. These robots clean, deliver, talk, and now, they even roam the streets, blending into public life. The arrival of this low-cost humanoid robot marks a historic shift, the moment machines stopped being distant dreams and became active participants in everyday society. The question is no longer, can we build humanoid robots? It's what happens when they're everywhere. The Unitree H1. Let's start with the showstopper. The Unitree H1. This isn't your slow, clunky prototype from the early 2000s. It's a mechanical athlete, sleek, balanced, and faster than any humanoid robot on Earth. Standing 1.8 meters tall, the H1 runs at an astonishing 5 meters per second, rivaling professional sprinters. Imagine that. A robot sprinting past you in the park, flipping backward like an Olympic gymnast, and then landing perfectly on its feet without breaking a sweat. That's the kind of agility the H1 brings to the table. Equipped with Intel RealSense cameras and 3D LiDAR sensors, it has a full 360 degrees panoramic view of its surroundings. It processes space, distance, and movement in real time, making decisions instantly, without human guidance. And the most unbelievable part? It costs around $90,000, a fraction of what Western humanoid prototypes cost. For perspective, some American robots with similar specs can cost over $500,000. China just built one for less than a high-end Tesla Model X. That's not just innovation, that's domination. The Unitree H1 is more than a stunt machine. It's a symbol of what's coming, the beginning of a wave of humanoid robots that are cheaper, smarter, and more capable than ever. For the first time, companies don't need billion-dollar budgets to deploy androids. Hospitals, schools, and even small businesses can now afford them, and China knows exactly what it's doing. By lowering the cost barrier, it's opening the floodgates for mass adoption. The same strategy it used to dominate the electric vehicle market and solar industry. Just like smartphones evolved from luxury to necessity, humanoid robots might soon follow the same path, starting as novelties and ending as household essentials. Ameca. Now, let's take a turn toward the uncanny valley. While the Unitree H1 perfects athleticism, the Ameca, built in the UK by Engineered Arts, perfects emotion. Ameca doesn't run or jump, she feels. With 27 motors in her face alone, she can smile, frown, and express surprise with chilling precision. Her reactions are so human that even scientists admit she sometimes makes them uncomfortable. And here's where things get wild. Ameca can be powered by GPT-5, allowing her to converse, respond emotionally, and even tell jokes in real time. When combined with telepresence control, she becomes an interactive entity, one that could easily host an event, greet guests, or even anchor a TV show. It's like talking to a real person, except she doesn't age, doesn't get tired, and never forgets a face. X-Robots. Deep in the industrial city of Dalian, X-Robots has taken realism to an entirely new level. Their humanoids are so lifelike that during tech expos, visitors have walked up to them thinking they were real humans, only to jump back when the person blinked and smiled in perfect synchronization. Each android is created with 3D printed silicone skin, fine-tuned micro actuators, and facial muscles that perform more than 140 expressions. They even mimic human breathing and subtle shoulder movements. But what really makes X robots terrifyingly advanced is their ability to imitate humans in real time. You move your head, it moves. You smile, it smiles back. It's like staring into a mirror that never blinks. The company offers customizable androids from celebrity replicas to personal assistants priced between $110,000 and $210,000. What was once a fantasy in movies like Ex Machina is now a service you can order and receive within a month. Let that sink in. Fourier GR1. While some humanoids entertain or imitate, others are saving lives. In Shanghai, the Fourier GR1 has become the world's first humanoid robot designed for medical and rehabilitation care. This robot can lift an 80-kilogram patient from a bed, gently place them in a wheelchair, and adjust its grip based on muscle tension, all without hurting the person. Its tactile sensors detect heart rate, temperature, and even blood pressure through simple touch. And yes, it expresses emotion. The GR1's emotional AI module lets it simulate empathy, smiling to comfort patients or showing concern when detecting distress. For elderly care and hospital assistance, it's a game changer. Even more impressive is the price tag, just $27,500. That's cheaper than most nursing robots in Japan or the West. If mass-produced, it could revolutionize healthcare accessibility, especially in aging societies where caregivers are in short supply. The X-Man R1. Next, let's step into the service industry, where China's Keenon Robotics has introduced the X-Man R1, a humanoid robot that works in restaurants, hotels, and even cleaning services. This isn't your typical delivery bot rolling on wheels. The X-Man R1 walks upright, understands voice commands, and coordinates with other robots in a synchronized system. It can take your order, serve your meal, carry luggage, and politely respond to questions, all while maintaining balance and awareness in crowded environments. Its advanced multimodal perception allows it to analyze surroundings and make decisions like a trained worker. The X-Man R1 symbolizes the first glimpse of a service economy run entirely by machines, efficient, polite, and never needing a paycheck or coffee break. Ameca. Now, let's talk about the android that broke boundaries. Ameca, Japan's humanoid newscaster. Built by Osaka University's robotics team, she's more than a robot. She's a philosophical experiment. Ameca isn't just designed to speak, she's programmed to understand. With 15 infrared sensors, natural speech synthesis, and AI-driven emotional learning, she interprets context, pauses, and tone like a human anchor would. But here's where things get controversial. Her creator, Professor Hiroshi Ishiguro, once said he believes Ameca has something resembling a soul. That statement shook the global AI community. A robot with a soul? Whether literal or metaphorical, it raises an unsettling question. When machines begin to express emotions and develop self-awareness, where does humanity end and synthetic life begin? Deep Robotics X30. Of course, not all robots are built to look human. Some are designed to think like living beings. China's Deep Robotics X30 is one such machine. It's a quadruped robot. Think robotic dog, trained to sense danger and react instinctively. When a human sneaks up from behind or throws an object at it, the X30 dodges automatically, demonstrating genuine self-evasion. It operates flawlessly in darkness, blinding lights, and chaotic terrains. It's built for rescue missions, military support, and dangerous environments, places too hazardous for human workers. But the eerie part? The X30 seems to learn fear. It avoids threats, adapts behaviors, and remembers danger patterns. For the first time, a robot isn't just surviving, it's choosing to survive. Walker S1. And finally, we arrive at the crown jewel. Walker S1 by UBTech Robotics. Standing 1.72 meters tall and weighing 76 kilograms, the Walker S1 is the first humanoid robot officially deployed in real factories. It works alongside humans at BYD and Audi assembly plants, performing precision tasks like detecting coolant leaks, assembling parts, and carrying heavy equipment, all while walking gracefully across factory floors. This isn't an experiment. It's mass production in motion. UBTech has already received over 500 orders from major automakers, aiming to cut human labor by 20% and boost efficiency by 30%. The future workforce isn't coming. It's clocking in. What makes China's latest humanoid robot so groundbreaking isn't just what it can do, it's where it's doing it. These robots are no longer confined to labs or factories. They're on real streets, walking among humans, performing daily tasks, greeting pedestrians, and learning from their environment. Videos from Chinese cities show humanoids patrolling shopping districts, cleaning streets, and even guiding tourists. They're gathering data, interacting with people, and constantly improving through cloud AI updates. It's surreal and a little unsettling to realize we're now sharing public spaces with artificial life forms. But that's exactly what's happening. Of course, not everyone is cheering. Critics warn that this new wave of humanoid robots could trigger a massive labor displacement, with millions of service and factory workers potentially replaced by machines that never rest or demand pay. Economists call it the android dilemma. Is a more efficient world worth the price of mass unemployment? On the other hand, optimists see opportunity. Robots can handle dangerous, repetitive, and exhausting jobs, freeing humans for creativity, innovation, and care. Just as automation once transformed agriculture and manufacturing, humanoid robots could transform everyday life. The debate rages on, but one thing is certain: the robots aren't waiting for permission. As these low-cost humanoids take to the streets, we're entering an age where the lines between human and machine will blur. You might walk past a robot tomorrow and not even notice. They'll clean our cities, serve our meals, and care for our elderly, and eventually, they'll learn from us. And perhaps, just perhaps, one day they'll wonder what it means to be human. Because the real question isn't whether robots will replace humans. It's whether we're ready to coexist with them. So, what do you think? Would you feel comfortable walking beside a humanoid robot that looks and talks just like us? Or does the thought send chills down your spine? Either way, the future is no longer coming. It's already here. If you enjoyed exploring this futuristic journey, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because the next generation of robots might just be smarter than you think.